Congratulations on the successful completion of your RevX system. I'm now going to walk you through one final step, which is to turn off the movement sensor of the chiller to avoid any false errors. All right, we're going to start by pressing and holding the set button for 6 seconds. You see 90 pop up on the top screen and PD on the bottom. Use the up arrow to go up to 95. Press set. We see F01 on the bottom. Continue to press set until we get to F9. We see this says on. Adjust it to off using the down arrow. Press set again. And then just don't press anything, and in a few seconds it'll back out to the main screen. We appreciate you trusting RevX Wellness to be the provider of your cold plunge system. We wish you all the best with your wellness journey, and if anything comes up, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.